Did you know what is badminton? Badminton is a sport that played with a racket and a shuttlecock. Shuttlecock. Para siyang tennis pero dapat sa maliit na court siya ginagawa. And dapat mabilisan ang galawan. And ang objectives dito is simple lang. Dapat na ibalik mo ang shuttle sa side ng kalaban nang hindi ito bumabagsak sa side mo. Second is history. Alam niyo ba na ang badminton ay isa sa mga rich history? Nagsimula ito sa India noong 80s. Dati ang tawag dito ay Puna. And nilaro ito ng mga British officers at nadala ito sa England. Noong 1972, naging mas popular ito sa isang party na badminton house. It's called Badminton House. Kaya dito nakuha ang pangalan ng badminton. Eventually, it became an international sport in our country. At ngayon, isa na siya sa pinaka-popular dito sa Asia. Third is, who is Sir Nelson Asuncion? Coach Nelson Asuncion is one of the most respectful badminton coach in the Philippines. Siya ay dating national player at nakilala bilang isang mahusay na trainer in the Philippines. Training niya ang maraming Pilipino sa badminton players na naging malaking bahagi ng pagdevelop ng sport sa ating bansa. And because of this, it is one of the dedication passion, and he played the level of the badminton in the Philippines to the international standards. And at ngayon, nakilala na natin si Sir Nelson Asuncion. And now, let's move on to the exciting part of the game.
Before playing a badminton, warm up first. Before playing a badminton, and most important is wear a proper shoes because importante ito para hindi tayo ma-injure or madapa. So, during a play of badminton, watch the obstacle of the court because may chance na madapa tayo or may mga lubak-lubak. So, parang safety din natin. So, sa post-game, kung pagod ka na, pwede kang magpahinga, lumubok para iwas ito sa mga injury. So, the part of the badminton court. So, ito ang part sa mga badminton court. Ang court size na kailangan ay 13.4 meters ang haba and ang lapad ay 6.1 meters for the doubles at 5.18 meters for the angle. Net height and net height ay 1.55 meters gilid at 1,524 meters ang gitna. Service line. May short at long service line. Depende kung single or double. Ang center line, hati ng service court. Ang sideline naman ay sidelines. Ito ang border ng court.
Basic grips and service tools. Are you holding your racket correctly? Proper grip and understanding service tools are crucial for gameplay. The main grips are forehand, backhand, and panhandle, each used for different shots. Service tools include serving above the waist, not serving the correct service court, and not hitting the shuttlecock in an upward motion. So, badminton grips. Forehand grip. Hold the racket like shaking hands with it, with the thumb along the wide bevel of the handle. Backhand grip. Rotate the hand slightly clockwise from the forehand grip, placing the thumb along the narrow bevel. So, may parts tayo ng badminton racket. May ilang important parts ang racket. Head, yung bilog na frame na may springs. String area. Dito tumatama ang shuttle. And sa throat naman, nagdudugtong sa head or shaft. Shaft, yung mahabang part ng racket. Handle or grip, dito tayo humahaba.
Badminton rules and regulations. Ilan ang mga important rules? Okay. Ang una natin ay best of 3 games. Ang bawat game ay hanggang 21 points. And pangalawa is a really scoring system. Kung ano ang nanalo sa rally, siya ang point. Dapat underhand at below at the waist of the serve. Dapat pumasok ang shuttle sa loob ng court ng kalaban. Bawal ang double hit o kaya yung tatama sa racket ng 2 beses. Dalawa din ang sumayad sa net.
Game and type of matches. What type of events in the badminton? Badminton offers a 5 distinct match types or events: men's single and women's single, men double, woman double, and mixed double. These events dedicate the number of the players each side, with single involving 1 player per team and double involving 2. Men's single. 2 male players compete against each other, and another one is women's single. 2 female players compete against each other. So, and the other one is the men double. Two teams or 2 male players compete against each other, and woman double, 2 teams and double player compete with each other, and another one is the mixed double. 2 teams consider 1 male and a female player compete against each other.
Good day everyone! Ngayon, kung ang i-report ko ay tungkol sa badminton. This sport is not only fun and exciting, pero maganda rin po siya for improving our agility, speed, and coordination. For today's topic, pag-uusapan natin ang basic strokes, tips, parts ng racket, at shuttlecock. May parts ng badminton court with measurements, rules, and regulations, tips and tricks, at syempre, ang conclusion. Ayun lang.
Basic strokes tips. This is the foundation of the game. Forehand and backhand grip. Dapat tamang hawak sa racket, depend on the stroke. Clear shot. Palo ng mataas at malayo para maatras ang kalaban. Smash. Malakas at mabilis na palo para mabilis bumagsak ang shuttle. Drop shot. Dahan-dahan lang tapik para bumagsak malapit sa net. Footwork. Laging magaan ang paa para mabilis makagalaw sa game. This is the conclusion of the game. Badminton is a sport na dapat kombinasyon ng skill, speed, at strategy kung alam natin ang basic strokes. Parts ng equipment, court, rules, at tips na mas ma-enjoy ng mga manlalaro at mas mapapabuti ang performance nila.